What is the meaning of V given by 2xy plus 4tz squared j plus yzk? What does it mean? That ijk indicates the direction vectors. That means the velocity in x direction, the x component of velocity is associated with whatever is given in along with I. So I indicates the direction vector in x direction. Similarly, j indicates the y direction and k indicates the z direction. So it is the velocity field. So therefore, 2xy is the velocity in the x direction. So what is the, according to our notation, it is u is equal to 2xy. All of you note it. U is equal to 2xy. Then the z y component of velocity is associated with z, that is 4t z square. So small v is equal to 4t z square. Then the z component of velocity is yzk, yz. So therefore, the w value is yz. So therefore, u is equal to 2xy, v is equal to 4tz square, and w is equal to yz. So now we have three expressions for velocities u, v, and w. Now, one point you tell me whether the flow is steady or unsteady. Number 7. Number 7. Number 9. Hello.
Sir, sir, ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్
Number 7, huh? Screen.
స్క్రీన్
Okay, okay. Number 7. Why has he left? Number 9.
సార్
Huh. Number 9. So what is the flow steady or unsteady?
స్టడీ సార్
How you can say it is steady? What is the meaning of steady flow? Hmm? Number 12.
Sir,
Is the flow steady or unsteady?
steady flow, sir.
How can you say it is steady flow? Number 13.
No,
Sir,
Is the
study
flow steady or
it
unsteady?
vary with the time, sir.
Huh?
Study flow means it does not vary with time, sir.
Is our present case varying with time, or
Yes,
is
sir.
it
It's t equals to 2, no, sir. It does not vary with time.
it is not varying with time? What is the expression for V?
2xy v, sir. Oh, okay, sir.
Huh?
It is unsteady.
Huh?
40 z square, sir.
4tz square.
Yes,
So
sir.
what does it mean? The
It's
velocity in
vary with
y direction is
it's vary
dependent on.
time.
So is the flow steady or unsteady?
Unsteady, sir.
The flow is unsteady. It's not steady because if any particular component is having a time term, automatically the entire flow field will be changing with respect to time. So in the present case, the flow is unsteady, right? Now, what is it that you are asked to find out? You are asked to find out the acceleration and then the angular velocity about z axis and the vorticity vector at a given point. So the given point is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, and t is equal to 2. Right? Now, let us see how do we get the acceleration. So how do we get the acceleration? Let me show you. Now, the acceleration in x direction is given by this expression. Ax is equal to du by dt, which is nothing but dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou v by dou y into dou y by dou t plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou t. That means it is Ax is equal to dou u by dou t Ax is equal to dou u by dou t plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y. This is dou u by dou y plus w dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou t, this is u. So the expression for this is u. And this is also u. So this is also u. So Ax is equal to dou u by dou t dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou x into u plus dou u by dou y into v plus dou u by dou z into w. Now you have the expressions for u, v, w. So now for find out Ax. So number 15, you tell me what is the expression for Ax in terms of given expression of u, v, and w. See, what is the expression for u given? What is u equal to?
2xy, sir.
2xy.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 2xy. Then v equal to
4t z square, sir.
4t
Square, is that right?
z square. Then W equal to
Yz, sir.
yz. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yz. Now you are asked to find out the accelerations at point 1, comma 1, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And at t is equal to 2. T is equal to, this is very difficult. T is equal to 2, right? So substitute here, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and this is 2. So what will be the value of u? U is equal to 2. So u is equal to, at the given point, u is equal to 2 units. And what is v equal to? Substitute t is equal to 2 and z is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4.
Sir,
So there,
verticity vectors are 2 and 1, sir.
v equal to, v is equal to 8. V equal to, this is becoming very problematic for me. V is equal to 8 units. Then what is Z? What is W? What is W? It is YZ. So Y is 1, Z is 2. So this is 2 units. Right? Now, what is dou U by dou X? U is
Sir,
2x. U is 2xy. So dou U by dou X is, come on.
sir, expression లో మైనస్ డబ్ల్యూ కి -2 కదా సార్ వచ్చేది
W?
-2 సార్ 2 సార్
YZ minus కాదు. W is equal to YZ.
యాక్చువల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో -YZ ఉంది కదా సార్
ఎక్కడ నీకు ఇచ్చిన దానిలోనా
ఎస్ సార్ క్వశ్చన్ లో
మైనస్ ఉందా? నేను చూడలేదు. ఓకే, ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. ఓకే, మైనస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ తీసుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే
ఓకే, మైనస్ తీసుకుందాం. అక్కడ నాకు ఇక్కడ సింబల్ కనిపించలేదు అందుకు. ఓకే, డబ్ల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -YZ, రైట్? సో ఇట్ విల్ బి -2 units. ఓకే, now what is dou U by dou X? Differentiate this expression with respect to X. Then what is dou U by dou Y? You differentiate with respect to Y. What is dou U by dou Z? Differentiate this expression with respect to Z. So this is dou U by dou X is 2Y, right? Then dou U by dou Y is 2X. And dou U by dou Z is how much? Number 18.
Sir.
What is dou u by dou z? U is 2xy. So what is dou u by dou z? Dou u by dou z is 0. Okay? Dou u by dou z is 0. So therefore, in this expression, Ax will be, so let us substitute the values of u, dou u by dou x, dou u, and what is dou u by dou t?
0, sir.
Yes, dou u by dou t is 0. This is 0. So now what will be Ax? I think I have to modify this type of presentation because I thought that I can use this mouse and explain, but it is taking too much of time and it's very inconvenient also to me. That point is not visible. Perhaps I can change the size. I think it is better to write like this. This is also very difficult. So I can write Ax. I think I have some other option. Let me check. Suppose if I write and show before the camera, will I get it? I am just trying to show once this problem is over. So now all of you try to write the expression for Ax in terms of the known values. I will ask one after the other. You can tell me whether you have got it or not. Okay. Right now, number one.
Yes, sir.
Substitute u.
Sir, 2y.
Dou u by dou t is 0. So the first term is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the second term? It is u dou u by dou x.
Yes, sir.
U is 2xy
Yes, sir.
and dou u by dou x is 2y. U is 2xy.
2xy.
Dou u by dou x is 2y.
2y.
So therefore, what will be the value u dou u by dou x? It is 4x y square. 4x y square. So Ax will be equal to
2x.
0 plus
2x.
4x y square, right? Plus what is v? V is 4t z square. So v is 4t z square. And what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is 2x.
2x.
So what will be the second term, third term?
8x zt square, sir.
8x z
Huh?
square.
Hmm.
8x z square.
8x t z square,
Z.
right? 8 t,
T square, sir. T square.
no, t only, z
Ah,
square.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
3x z square. Okay, that is second term. Then what is the, that third term. What is the fourth term?
0, sir.
The w is
0.
0 because w is minus yz. So that will be there anyhow. Minus yz into 0. Into 0. It's not plus, into it is into 0. Okay. So this is ax, right? Similarly, you can write ay. Ay is dou v by dou t plus u dou v by dou x plus v dou v by dou y plus w dou v by dou z. Ax is dou v by dou t. Now what is dou v by dou t? Dou v by dou t is
4z square, sir.
4z square. So the first term in ay, it is, this is ay is equal to 4z square plus, what is u dou v by dou x? V is 4tz square. Okay. Every time this pointer is missing, I do not know. So 4t this is V. And dou V by dou Y is how much? What is dou V by dou Y?
0, sir. 0.
Sir.
0, yes. So this is 0 into 0 plus, sorry, not dou V by dou Y, dou V by dou X. See,
0,
V, dou V by dou X.
0, sir.
Huh?
0.
Also 0, sir.
Dou V by dou X is 0, correct.
0.
So,
Y
yes.
also 0, sir.
V dou V by dou X is 0 plus W is minus YZ okay, into dou V by dou Z. What is dou V by dou Z?
4t, sir.
Huh?
4t
Dou
z.
V by dou Z
8 t z,
minus
sir.
4t 8tz.
8 t z, sir.
8tz, not 4. 8t so this is the first term is 4z square. It is dou V by dou t. And then second term is 0 because it is u dou V by dou x. And V does not contain x term. So this is 0. This is 0. Then the fourth term is W is minus YZ and dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z is 8tz. So this is ay. Similarly, you can write az. So az is equal to, let us write. Come on, number 6. What is the expression for az? Number 6. So number 6. Az is equal to dou, the first term. First term is dou w by dou t. Your voice is breaking.
0, sir.
It is 0, but expression is dou v by dou t. Dou w by dou t. Dou w by dou t is 0. Then u dou w by dou x. What is u dou w by dou x? U is 2xy. Dou w by dou x is
0.
0. So second term is also 0, right? Then third term is v dou w by dou y. So v is 4tz square and dou w by dou y is minus z. Okay. So minus z into 4tz square. That is minus 4tz cubed is the last term. Okay. So these are ax, ay and az. Now substitute x and t is equal to minus 2. So you will get the values of u, v and w. U, v and w. Come on, all of you find out.
Sir, first one 40, sir. U. Second one.
4xy square kada?
Yes, sir.
So that is 4 only. 8t, 8, 16, 16.
Sir, AY 49.
No, 8 into 2 into
48, sir.
z square is 4. 8 into 2, 16, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. What is ax you got?
40.
See, first term is 0 in ax, second term is 4. First term is 0, second term is 4, and third term is 8t x z square. 8 into 2 into z is x is 1, z is 2. So 4. 64. So 64 plus 4 is 68. Number 7.
Sir, in first term 4xy square, no, sir.
Xy square.
X means 2, sir.
X is 1.
Sir, in that you given 2, 1.
సరే ఇక్కడ నేను 112 ఇచ్చాను కదా, 112తో చేయండి.
Okay, sir.
ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ హియర్ 112. ఒకసారి నేను ఆ ప్రాబ్లంకి వెళ్తాను, గుర్తులేదు నాకు అది. ఓకే, 211.
Yes, sir.
పోన్లేండి, ఏదో ఒకటి. మనం 112 తీసుకున్నాం, 112 తీసుకున్నాం. అలాగే 112 తీసుకోండి.
68 వచ్చింది, sir.
211 తీసుకున్నాం సార్.
68 వచ్చింది కదా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏవై. ఏవై is 4z² plus 4tz² into 0 minus yz into 8tz
Sir, minus 16, sir.
minus 16. Let me verify. 4 into 4 minus 2 into 8 into 2 into 2. 104. Eighteen, minus 18. Hello?
4z² minus 8tz కదా, sir.
8tz² కదా.
z² అంటే ఆ ప్లేస్ లో
Ah.
డెరివేటివ్.
8ty.
8tyz².
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And that derivative
8t z is equal to 2 కదా. Eight into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 8 into 8, 64 కదా.
8.
64 minus 16.
Minus
Yes, sir.
So it is
8, sir.
minus 48.
Minus
Right. Minus 48. AY is minus 48. Right. So
Yes.
AX is ఎంతను ఇందాక ఎంతను AX
68, sir.
AX 68. AX 68. Then AY is minus 48. And AZ
Minus 62.
Minus 62, sir.
Minus
Minus 62, sir.
Minus 62.
minus or plus?
Minus, sir. Minus. Minus
Minus.
62, sir.
Okay. So AX, AY, AZ you got, right? So what is the acceleration? The acceleration will be
Velocity by times, with respect to
square
time.
root of AX² plus AY² plus AZ².
Okay, sir.
That's all. Now what else it is asked to, you are asked to find? You are also asked to find the angular velocity about z axis. Okay. So angular velocity about z axis, how do you get? Angular velocity about z axis See, the angular velocity of line OA is omega OA, which is dou V by dou X. See here, if you just go back, line OA, I said. OA is this line. So angular velocity about which axis you are asked to find?
Z axis, sir. Z axis.
Z axis. So Z axis means your XY plane. It is XY plane. So the angular velocity will be, this is the angular velocity. This is the angular velocity average. Half of dou V by dou X minus dou U by dou Y. Okay. Now find out what is that value. This is the angular velocity. And what other thing is asked? The vorticity vector. So first find out the angular velocity.
Sir, angular velocity of Z axis minus Y, sir. I got.
1 minute.
I got minus Y.
Minus. Okay, maybe. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
This is the expression. Half of dou V by dou X minus dou U by dou Y. So what is the vorticity vector? Vorticity vector is twice the,
Angular velocities.
so it is equal to dou V by dou X minus dou U by dou Y. This part is the, this is the angular velocity. Right?
Minus 2, sir.
Whatever it is, okay? So similarly, now you tell me, is the flow irrotational or rotational?
Irrotational, sir. If it is negative.
No. It is irrotational
Okay.
means,
It's not equal to 0, sir.
it is not equal to 0, so
Okay, sir.
therefore it
Okay,
is
sir.
rotation.
Yes, sir.
See, for irrotational flow condition is, this is the irrotationality condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
All the three should be individually 0, not their sum. Now you find out the other two components also, omega x and omega y. Either omega x or omega y may be 0. But that doesn't mean that the flow is irrotational. Only one, what we can say is that suppose if omega y is 0, then we can say that the fluid will not be having rotation in the xz plane if omega y equal to 0. Okay. Now you take the second problem. A velocity field in a plane flow is given by V is equal to 2yTi plus xj. Find the equation for the streamline passing through 4, 2 at t is equal to 2. Now all of you individually work out and give me the answer. I will break here for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you work out and I will verify with all of you, one after the other. So we will meet after 10 minutes. After this problem is over, we will stop for today.